Hey guys, what's up? Like what you see our brother Sugit today practice in this area first time was practice another area, but today I changed the area for him. This location is new to him, but really what he do, how he turning, how he controlling, how he driving backward, so good. He's driving smooth between the drums, and when he turning to the left, to the right, when he driving backward, really doing great. I know is having a driving license before from his country, but I tell you guys the truth, not all the students, even they have driving license from their country, but it's not easy for them to understand the size of the drums. But even also on the road, sometimes they have driving license, but on the road they are weak. But what I see from this guy is really mashallah, is focusing good, and even in the road is driving good. So I wish for him, inshallah, to pass from first attempt for the drum, and also the road tests. I hope inshallah he can pass also for the first attempt. Yeah. Good luck for you guys. Just focus more. So when you are go to the location of the police test, for the drum area, so you will see many people there. So don't think in your mind that people there, they are watching you. Don't think like that. Everyone there doing the exam, you try to focus in the exam. He will not look to you. All right. So don't think you will see too much people here. So they are looking to you. You are not much, or gym of the football. You are going for exam, and they are also going for the exam. Don't look for them. Look for your exam and focus more. Okay. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my new video. Today we have a new friend. So good. How are you, so good?
Hi sir, fine. How are you?
Fine, thank you. So good today. MashaAllah, he's doing well with the practice. How many hours you do the practice?
This is my third day.
Third day, yeah? You're doing good, really great. So today he will show us how his technique, he go left or right. He will talk about this, he will explain to you. All right, brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going where? Inside, yeah? All right.
So we go to left. When you come back, we can see the between the first drum and to second drum, and we have to turn full.
Okay.
Okay. Then we are coming back with the door handle and this drum for when we reach there for the first drum.
Yes, I
We have to turn full.
Yes, exactly. So
Then we are coming back inside. When you make center, we can see from the mirror, and we have to turn the steering wheel for the center, and we can come back.
great. So we'll do it.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So you can go back word, so you can explain more about for the our friends here. So you can Okay. So after the mirror, passing the what you call this, the first drum, you're going to turn, yes. Right. So here we are on the left side, right, brother? Okay.
Now we are going back.
From the left, yeah. What you are going to watch? Which drum? Number 2, right?
Number 2.
When
Now we can see this 2 drum between the other side,
Yeah.
second drum.
Can you please? That one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's visible, right?
Yeah.
So we
Now
go
we can turn fully.
fully left, yes. We'll be watching from where? From the mirror.
I'm watching from here, and I'm watching from there. That drum will come here.
Yeah, when the drum, that one is visible, like that.
Yeah.
And you can stop. So
Stop.
yeah, this distance is enough, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Then?
And now I make
Steering.
Right.
Yes.
I have to go back.
All right.
And here.
The under wheel.
Yeah.
Whoops.
And
Right.
on this opposite drum.
Yeah.
Turn full.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Let's see also from here. Yes. All right. Super.
Oh, I can make the steering wheel straight.
All right.
I can go back. This is the technique my teacher gave to me.
Yeah. All right. Now.
Now we are going to right side.
Okay.
Taking the car.
Actually, my brother Sugit, he can do it too fast, but because we need to explain for you guys, we do it too slow. But I know when we go backward from left and right, it's too fast. Like a tiger, huh? Okay, now we are on the right. That's right.
Now we are going back.
Yeah. But what's the?
I can see that second drum of the corner glass,
Okay.
the diamond glass inside.
Trying to, yeah. Can you? Is it within the middle?
I can see that drum, the between that drum.
Okay, from the triangle, yeah.
From the triangle.
Right, right. Then?
Now I will run full.
Full, right, yes. Exactly.
Now I have to make straight.
Yes. Right. The hand is there, huh?
Yeah.
Right, yes. Done. Right.
Now you see we are inside. Now we
Strings.
can make straight.
Yes. Great. You do it great, my brother. Okay, thank you so much.
Now we are done.
Yeah. Thank you, huh? All right. Good luck, inshallah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.